Okay, 96 Miata. Um, just did an engine replacement about a month ago. Swapped the key in, 1.6 the same BP block. Um, removed everything. AC, power steering, lots of miscellaneous stuff that just doesn't belong in a car that's supposed to be lightweight. Haven't quite finished cleaning up and removing stuff, but it's gonna get even lighter. So, anyways, um, ran fine, drove fine. Was being fun, and I was looking at, starting the work of redoing the bushings on this car that has over 200,000 miles on it, which look to be on original bushings. Some of them you can just move by hand. And one day I saw something dripping, and I always keep a drip pad underneath my car to see, and it was water. I was like, oh, no big deal. Water leaks happen. That's fine. I have some custom hosing in there because I had to do effectively a coolant reroute because of the front wheel drive configuration on the water inlet and outlet. So it turned out though that the water leak was coming from the water pump itself. The gasket had just given way. I even retorqued the bolts hoping I wouldn't have to remove everything, but it still didn't hold. So I replaced the water pump. Replaced the water pump, and now the car won't start. Now I'm at a loss. I've come this far, I've done so much, and I'm just completely blown away. Troubleshooting wise, for the no start, I mean I first thought battery, just because of how it sounds as it tries to turn over. Then I thought, okay, it's still power related, maybe the starter's not getting the voltage it needs. Replaced my ground cable in the trunk, cleaned up all the grounds everywhere on the car, and check with a multimeter. I've got the proper voltage everywhere, even at the starter. So here's what it does. Here's what it sounds like. Maybe somebody out there will go, I've heard that sound before, and this is what you need to do, because I'm pretty frustrated at this point. So one sec. Now, keeping in mind that right now I don't have any coils in, and I'll do it one more time just so you can hear that sound a little better. It sounds almost like it's seizing up, but that's not what's happening, because I can hand turn the engine. And when I say hand turn the engine, I don't mean just hand turn it with a wrench. I can literally put my hands on the crank pulley and get it to go over. I have to squeeze the compression pass, but I can do it. So if I can move it with my hands, the starter shouldn't have a problem moving it. I guess my next step, I bought a replacement starter just because I'm at my wit's end, is to try to change the starter out. But usually if a starter will spin it at all, it's okay. So again, if anybody has any idea of why it would be so hard to turn over, please chime in, let me know. The other thing is, I was confused about the timing belt placement, the cam placement, that sort of thing. If that looks wrong to anyone, if you can let me know. I know it's not 100% spot on, but I did ensure that I had the correct number of teeth in between the at the top, and I lined everything at TDC, even verified TDC with dipsticks. So yeah, really, if you guys could help me out here, I'm just about to lose my mind. Thanks.